Cyber risk is no longer just an IT problem. It's a business risk that impacts every organization. Today, regulators, insurers, and boards expect quantitative cyber risk assessments, not just qualitative heat maps. That's where cyber risk assessment changes the picture. We quantify cyber risk in financial terms and translate technical findings into clear business decisions. Here's how we work. Scope and asset identification. We identify your critical assets and define the assessment scope. Threat and vulnerability analysis. We uncover threats and measure their business impact. Risk calculation and quantification. We prioritize risks based on financial and operational impact. Control effectiveness assessment. We evaluate how well your existing security controls perform. Treatment plan. We create a practical roadmap to reduce risk. Risk report and board presentation. We deliver executive, technical, and compliance reports with board-ready insights. Throughout the engagement, you'll have complete visibility into every finding, recommendation, and milestone. Let's show you how on a quick call. Reach out today.